Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix FitGirl setup ISDone.dll and Unarc.dll error. Let's fix it guys. Just need to check my video description for these two download DLL links. Because I already downloaded it. After getting download done, open the folder and extract the files. Right click and select extract all and select extract. Drag and drop to desktop. Thing extract another DLL file. Drag and drop to desktop. Now copy the both DLL files and go to this PC local disk C Windows, double click on it, find the system32, just double click on it, paste in here, replace the file in the destination, say continue option, and again go back and find SYSWAV64, paste in here, replace the file in the destination and select continue. After pasting it, restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. If you still facing a stuck problem, then you just need to double click on the installer game and click on the setup and make sure you select the limit RAM usage and where stock problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.